Hello, my country people. We don't come again. Oh, this one now the message from the Agape for All Nations International Ministries from Canada in conjunction with the Ministry of Women's Affairs for Edo State. Now they bring this to real. But before we continue, make una hear this music first.
Thumbs up to your mama, cause she made it possible. Got it too fine. My girl, I still believe, I beat you too fine past my mama, but that is impossible. Give me the photocopy of your mama, carbon copy of your papa too. Some people still believe that it's nothing like an African beauty. Hey, we get the young that is beauty in the African.
So nobody find pass mama. Oh, mama na the highest. Every woman we cut on for our African women. Una too much. I make us we come again say make we bring this message come for our women because. Now, women be the backbone of every society. That is why the Agape for All Nations International for Canada, they don't come with this story again because their message now, not be seen as smart, their message now to empower our women. And this conference, they come for Benin very soon. They come all the way from Canada because they say our women, time don't reach for us to empower our women. Say the time now for African women to move to the next level. So that they put their muscles right now with the Ministry of Women's Affairs for Edo State. Because like we know, the Ministry of Affairs for Edo State, that they do everything so well this time. So they don't say the Agape for All Nations, their mission, now to really to help our women. Now they say they go join them this time. May they come. So make you not say you not hear, you not know. So that they come Benin this time and the dates now for 11th of January 2019. And where they want to do this program now for Imagwero Secondary School Hall for Saple Road. Now that they come. And Agape for All Nations, now their president, our Benin woman, the Ogbonge woman, when he don't conquer for Canada, he don't conquer for many countries with her message. Even she don't win the award for empowerment award for Canada where they give her because for her message where she dey teach women and how she don't take empower women. Now make she win this award. So not be just say now ordinary woman they come now multi-award winning woman they come. Her name now Reverend Elizabeth Pedro Omocha. Now she they come So all our women make una ready because their mission be say that they come to empower women. They go empower our women. They go teach our women. They go inform our women about how to become an independent woman. How they go fit succeed in everything where they do. They not go only come talk. They go teach our women. They go give our women the things wey go make our women to succeed. So the time where you woman, you go stay one corner, they cry, say, Oga no bring money, it don't pass. This time, this woman, this Agape for All Nations International, that they come teach you, say, the time don't pass where you go stay one corner, they cry, say, things not they work well. The time don't reach where be say, when your husband go look, you go say, my wife, why things can't turn around for you like this? What you they do? Abi you don't join them the thief. Now then you go tell them say, Oga, my husband, now that Agape for All Nations International, that program where they can't do for Benin last time. Now they show me how to make money. So now waiting these people want, make all the story, make all the women they talk. Be that. And this show it go open for everybody from doctor, nurses, engineer, waiting never you they do. Go reach even our market women self. They invite all of them. May they come. Because Ministry of Women Affairs, they don't look and say this program, it go help a lot of women. So now make them say, may they come with this story now. May they come tell all our women, say, no excuse again to say the women, they abandon them for Edo State. This program now to bring light to our women. That is why they call all of una now. Say make una come on the 11th of January. Make una no miss am. Because this program, it go empower una so much where be say people go come dey imagine say wetin una do where be say una level don't change. Because this program na level changer. It don't change people life from abroad, from Canada, America, for Australia, everywhere. It don't change people life. So na in the founder now, our Reverend Miss Elizabeth Pedro Omoha don decide say she na Benin woman. E no go good like that. Say she don empower women for another country. E can't reach her own women. She no fit do anything. Now she decide say no, I must go back to my own state and my people, make I go show them the secret. Now make she dey come on the 11th of January for this program. And she not dey come alone. Oh, she dey carry better top people when they know more about how to empower our women. When they talk, when it go sabi teach people how to use their money, how to make their money, how to turn one to become two. She dey bring them, they come, and a lot of them go join them from Nigeria. Even our Nollywood actress, a lot of them go still join them. Business top women, our medical doctors, engineers, top ones, they go join her too to teach our women. Oh, and this program we come to break and say even on that day they go be translator when you go they translate language for people. Even they go they people where they use sign till they translate language for those people where not they hear word. So not be program where una go miss. So we dey come to tell una again, say the date na 11th of January and the time na 11 a.m. na the door go open. Abeg make una not put am say African man time, make una come 11 o'clock. Because these people na obodo yibo they for come and they serious with wetin they come do. Bam, 10 o'clock the program don't kick off. And a lot of things go happen there, music, food, everything. They ready for our women because they say women na number one. Na in their agenda because it don't take whether they protect women. So mothers, make all of una, make una go anywhere you know say you want go write the date. If now your oyegbe, you want go write the date. If na that paper you want put that paper, go put am for that pangolo, goma for that your pangolo where you dey put your coins there. Make you for the remember say this date once e come you go there. Make you go do am now. Or if na ground you want go write am on the 11th of January, make you go do am because this program na hot program. Nobody go stop us from going there because people don't they call from another countries, don't they tell us say they go send their mothers, their wife and their sisters, may they come the program because they don't see waiting the founder Miss Elizabeth Pedro don't do for other countries before, even when she don't even use a win award because they don't award her before for Canada. So she dey come with all her experience to teach our women. May she can't teach them how and waiting make her win the award where she win for Canada. So make una radio now 9 a.m. in the morning. The program will start like we talk before 11th of January 2019. Now the show they start. Una do well. Make una take care of una self. Una bye bye.